If you want to take a break from your daily tiring lifestyle and spend the weekend away from your home, Bichitrapur Mangrove Odisha would be an ideal option for you. This unique place is situated close to mouth of river Subarnarekha in the state of Odisha on the east coast of India. It is spread over an area of 563 hectares along the coast of Bay of Bengal and is famous for the marine ecosystem, having an unique assemblage of floral and faunal resources. It's 15 kilometers from Digha in West Bengal and located 59 kilometers towards east from district headquarters Balasore. The Subarnarekha River, which rises near Ranchi, flows to Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha to drain into the Bay of Bengal near the Bichitrapur mangrove forest. The people who reside here and lead a very weak economic life, but their lives deserve lots of respect for the hard work they do for surviving. You can see these women bringing woods for cooking, and their hard work is beyond describing. The native people of this place are mainly fishermen by profession. Even before the sun rises and warms the sea, the men are at work. They set out at middle of night or very early in the morning. But there are also times when they go deep sea fishing in large boats stocked with food and water to help them survive for 4-5 days at sea. While this is a profession filled with uncertainty, also uncertain is the future of their profession. The life here is very slow and simple. The pleasant view of mangroves, neighboring villages, plenty of red crabs, resident birds boating in the tidal creeks. Basically, nature is bewildering and time seems to run very slowly with the tranquil atmosphere everywhere. As you settle down in the boat, it speeds off across the river channel. On both sides extends mangrove forest. The boat rides are not at all expensive and are easily accessible. So boat ride is must if you want to explore the real beauty of this place. The ride will take you to the deep forest of mangroves and the meeting point of Subarnarekha River and Bay of Bengal. If you want to spend time alone away from the crowd, Bichitrapur would be the perfect place to be for a day. Some moments on boat will be everything that you need from life. On both sides, along with the mangroves, you will find chirping birds trying to welcome you to their heavenly abode. Then you will walk down to the edge of the island, where the waves gently sweep the inland. Stumps of water with the trees across the marshy land will catch your eyes. The island is completely tranquil and pleasant. Bijitropur mangrove forests are not yet commercialized entirely, so you can spend some time away from noise and crowd of the city. It gives you an opportunity to escape from your daily monotonous life. This place will definitely be refreshing for your soul. You can take a walk along the mangroves during low tide, and during the high tide you can take the boat to this deserted island, which is the natural habitat of red coast crabs and horseshoe crabs. Here is the forest of exotic plants spreading over 50 acres. At one end there is vast blue sea, and at the other end nature at its best with greenery. In winter season, you can feast your eyes with the variety of colorful migratory birds perched on trees and searching food in water. The red coast crabs and the horseshoe crabs are also an attraction of this deserted island. You will find plenty of them playing hide and seek with you. As soon as you step towards them, they will go inside the small holes and hide themselves. You will get the feeling of Sundarbans if you visit Bijitropur. The same kind of mangrove trees and the beaches unfold their ultimate serenity. Also, visiting the mangroves at high tide is highly recommended by the locals as it elevates the experience. Encounter the serene, quiet, and delicate beauty of Bijitropur. Get lost in the peaceful silence of nature and the sounds of chirping birds. Connect with nature once again near your city. Number of beautiful locations in Odisha where a small ride or a few moments of deep breath can infuse the feeling of heavenly tranquility. Bijitropur Mangrove Reserve is just one site that is enough to inspire wanderlust even in the most reserved. So, being a weekend traveler, you definitely need to visit this place to experience the bliss of life.